Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you a really special T-Bird. This is a 1966. The paint is extremely nice and it's Q code, so it's powered by a 428. Let me show you that right now. That's like the coolest part of this whole thing. So these are torque monsters. There you go. Looks like it's never been touched. Runs really nice. Still has a factory AC compressor. Brakes have been upgraded. Runs and drives really nice. You can see the insulation still in place. Let me start it up for you. So I believe these have like 460 foot-pounds of torque and 320 horsepower. Don't quote me on that, but it's up there. The torque is up there. These are great motors for airboats too. Let me start it. Body and paint, I'd rate 7 out of 10. I didn't have to give it gas, it just starts right up. It's a super smooth motor. Let me see if I can get to the throttle. Nice and smooth. Let's close this. 64, got that beautiful emblem on the hood. The hood doesn't have any dents or dings. A little bit of imperfection right here. And that's why we're calling it a 7 out of 10. I see some touch-ups. Chrome is driver quality. It shows really well. A little bit of pitting, but something that might actually come out if you use the secret trick of tinfoil. But it looks great. Wheels and tires look great. You got your Thunderbird hubcaps, which are correct. And then what's really neat is these actually light up when you're turning left or right. You can see that your indicator is on. Panel looks nice. You can see that it's painted in there. It looks good. Wipers work as they should. And the top, this is the original top. Extremely clean. I don't see any bubbles. The stainless is really nice and it shows well. Window operates as it should, so these are power windows. I believe the driver's side window is not operating at the moment, and we will take a look at that before it ships out. Quarter looks great. I do see, this is the only thing I could pick on this car in regards to rust. Bad prep work on the paint, right there. That's all I can see. And I love how the trim, so if you take these wheel covers off, it still looks classy because of this trim work. Gas cap is really clean. Let's open up the trunk. Look at this. Pop it open. Original padding inside. That's the original spare tire too. Look at this, the jack location. That's cool. Go ahead and close it. You can see that all the rubber's nice. Closes easily. Sorry about that. Rear bumper's really nice. Emblem right here is great too. All the taillights look good. Just a nice car overall. Really nice driver. Passenger side is the same as the driver's side. I don't see any dents or dings. It looks good. All your chrome and bright work, it's good quality. It's not pitting. This is really nice. I love the Thunderbird emblem with the inlay of the panel of the same thing as the top. Interior is 100% original. Look at the doors, no rust under here. You can see your lights lighting up, and then look how this panel is still perfect. Feel that with your fingers. It's like a metal inlay. It's pretty neat. Let's go for a ride. How cool is that? Then you can put it in drive. All the gauges are working. We've got great oil pressure. Our gas gauge is working. You can see that the temperature still is cold, and we are charging. You've got your wipers right here that operate. I don't know if the clock is working. I don't think it is. Radio turns on. I heard the vent open in the back. That's cool. Then you got your unlock and lock, which I don't think that's working. Got your ashtray, and you do have a glove box with the original documents in it. Look at how, I mean, that's beautiful. It's a really nice car. Rear seats look really comfortable. You got another ashtray here, and then that will pull out as a armrest. Oh, look at this, just like the other one we had. So you've got all, whenever the doors are open, It's supposed to light up, but it doesn't. This is an AC car. I hear the compressor turning on. There we go. So the AC actually works. That's amazing. Very cool. Look at the Thunderbird emblem right here. That's awesome. Very, very cool. Let's see if the washers work. You hear the motor? There's just no water in the bag. The e-brake's on, you're just gonna push down here. It's gonna pop it up. Put my glasses on, let's go for a ride. It's showing 72,000 miles on it, and I believe that to be true based on the condition of the engine bay and the interior. Horn works. So turn signals are working. You can see the indicator over here lighting up. You see it blinking? And then if I turn this one on, you see it flashing? And it lets you know that it's on. Let's go ahead and turn right. Whoa, what's going on over here? Uh-oh. What do I do? What do I do? All right. Right through. This thing runs and drives great. It's not pulling from left to right. Let me go ahead and close my vent over here so you don't get any air flow. It's electronic. Driving down Ravenswood right now, we're going about 45 miles an hour. Super smooth. Let's give it some gas. Downshifts easily, no smoke coming from the rear. I love all the little quirks, so it has day and night. If you twist it, it has a night feature. It says night. All of these are in great shape. These are original. We're about to go over some bumps right now. Smooth. It's a good car. This is definitely something you can drive every day if you wanted to. Nice and smooth, temperature's slowly creeping up. And what I'm gonna do is I wanna test it out. So they didn't make many of these Q codes. We have two of them right now. We have a red one that's in the repair shop and this one, and then we have a 64 that we're doing no reserve. And you're gonna love that video because it's about a guy that scammed us on eBay. Scammer. So let's test this girl out. We're gonna just start from a dead stop position. Are you ready? Lots of torque. It's a heavy car too. And we're at 60. That's pretty impressive for being a 66. And imagine if you put that motor like in a Mustang or something like that. It'd be a rocket ship. If you guys have any other questions on this specific Thunderbird, just give us a call. We offer financing. We could ship worldwide. So you give us your port of entry or your zip code and we'll get you a shipping quote.